Hi everyone, so we're going to talk about solving systems of equations by substitution, one of many methods you could use to solve a system. So just to know what it is, use substitution to find y equals 3x plus 7 when x is equal to 2y plus 5. So we're given this equation and we're told what x is equal to. So whenever we see an x, we have this expression. So I'm going to rewrite my equation. I have y equals 3 times x plus 7. And in place of x, since x is equal to this, I'm going to put 2y plus 5. Then if I solve, I get y is equal to, we have to distribute. So that's 6y plus 15 plus 7. We can now solve this equation. We have y is equal to 6y, 15 plus 7 is 22. We can subtract 6y from both sides. Y minus 6y is negative 5y. That leaves us with 22 on the right, and then we divide both sides by negative 5. And we get y is equal to negative 22 over 5. Okay, so now how do we actually use it to solve a system? So here's a system of equations, we have two of them. And we want to find the values of x and y that will make both of these equations true. So I love how y has already been solved for. So whenever we see y, we can take this expression and we can put it in for y. So let's see what that looks like. So I have 3 times whatever y is equal to plus 4x is equal to 11. So I'll put my expression that's equal to y, and then I'll solve. So if I distribute, I have negative 9 plus 6x plus 4x equals 11. 6x plus 4x, that's 10x. I still have the 9, negative 9. I can now add 9 to both sides, and I get 10x is equal to 20. I divide by 10. I get that x is equal to 2. Still need to find y. Well, I can put it in this equation. I know that y is equal to negative 3 plus 2x. I just took this equation. And so now since x is equal to 2, I'm going to plug it in right there. So if y is equal to negative 3 plus 2 times 2. So that's negative 3 plus 4. So y is equal to 1. So my solution, guys, is 2, 1. This is my answer. Let's solve another one here. This one, we don't have x equals something or y equals something, but we can solve for one of the variables. So I'm going to take this one. I see x plus 3y equals 7 equals negative 7. I'm going to subtract the 3y on both sides, and I get x is equal to negative 7 minus 3y. So now I know that x is equal to this, so wherever I see x, I'll plug that in. I get 6y plus 5 times negative 7 minus 3y is equal to 10, because I put this in right there. So now if we distribute, we get 6y minus 35 minus 15y is equal to 10. 6y minus 15y is going to give us negative 9y minus 35, which is equal to 10. We're going to now solve. So we add 35 to both sides. We get negative 9y is equal to 45. And if we divide both sides by negative 9, we get y is equal to negative 5. So now we have y, but we still need, I'll put my face here, we still need x. Well, we know x is equal to this, right? So we have that equation. X is equal to negative 7 minus 3y. This is y. I'll just put this right in there. So I get x is equal to negative 7 minus 3 times negative 5. So that's negative 7 plus 15, negative 3 times negative 5, which is equal to 8. So now I know that x is equal to 8 and y is equal to negative 5. My solution is, this is my answer. Let's do one more. Let me solve the system. Notice here, I see a 4y here, and I see a 4y here. Let me solve for 4y. So if I solve for 4y here, I get 4y is equal to 10 minus x. So if I put that in for 4y, since 4y is equal to this, I will put it in this expression. So I get negative 4x minus 10 minus x equals 11. I'm going to solve, so I got negative 4x minus 10. If I distribute the negative, negative 10 plus x is equal to 11. So now I combine. I have negative 4x plus x, that's negative 3x minus 10 is equal to 11. I add the 10 to both sides. Get negative 3x equals 21. And I divide by negative 3. That means x is equal to negative 7. I can put it back into this expression. And I get 4y is equal to 10 minus negative 7 because x is equal to negative 7. So we get 4y is equal to 10 minus negative 7 is 17. I divide by 4, and I get y is equal to 17 over 4. So my solution is negative 7, 17 over 4.